Welcome to my desk. I'm Dr. Dandridge and just want to take an opportunity to welcome you to my channel. Here you're going to find everything related to biblical heritage, the African American religious experience, contemporary religious thought, as well as culture and religion. One of the things that I love about this platform is being able to give you up-to-date information inside of almost real time. So I'm just going to encourage you, number one, subscribe, so just to make sure that you don't miss anything. But then I also want to warn you because the things that you're going to discover on this channel are going to be things that are going to challenge your faith. They're going to challenge your biblical interpretation. And they're also going to challenge just your general critical thinking as it relates to how you approach religion, the Bible, spirituality, whole nine yards. Okay. So I just want to take an opportunity to welcome you here again. Like, subscribe, share this with somebody if you want them to go on a journey with you. And I look forward to having deep dives and conversations with you. As a matter of fact, make sure that you put some things inside of the comments inside of this specific video because I read every single comment and I always love trying to get more information that I can report back on. It also helps inside of my studies as well. So welcome to my desk, and I look forward to engaging the Bible, spirituality, and religion with you.